Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today video title guys, how to set display default size. Friends, you want to set guys your display default size. So how to set, friends, your display size has increased, so friends you want to set into default size. So how to set today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to set display default size. Open your phone setting first of all. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type of setting in your oppo phone device. How to set display default size. Friends, scroll it. Friends, click on your display and brightness setting guys. We will on it. So friends, you can see display brightness setting, friends, dark mode setting, auto brightness, auto rotate, auto screen color setting. So friends, second last option, friends, you can check display size. So I will click here, then I scroll it again. Friends, you can see your font and display size is here. So friends, you want to change your font size, so friends you can change from here, but we want to set into display default size. And display small size you want to set means, and guys you want to set guys your default and large size. So guys select. So I like, oh sorry guys, I want my display default size, so I will click on default. I will apply for here. Friends, you can see display size will default. Friends, you can see. So like that guys, you can set guys your display size into default size. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to set display default size. Open your phone setting, display brightness setting, scroll it, display size, and guys display size guys we can set default size from here in our phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. And when you have doubt guys, it's to guys your display setting and guys home screen setting, lock screen, sound vibration. So you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.